Wondering how to make money online? Try these ideas today. Every time you read comments on a blog, news video, and other online media, there are bound to be a few comments about how to make money online. However, the safest and most lucrative ways to make money online are not advertised so frequently. Keep watching to learn about legitimate ways to make money online. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. As stated above, you have probably seen many offers on ways to make money online. Most of these opportunities are actually scams. But, there are tried and trusted ways to make money online, as well. Follow the tips listed above to find the work you need on the internet. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.